Guys, it finally happened. Donald Trump signed his first pro-crypto executive order, making the USA the world capital of crypto, and now things are going faster than we could expect. The Bitcoin price is catching up at the $105,000 levels, and I will tell you exactly what I think will expect us in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. We see furthermore the third most important point that Michael Saylor predicted many weeks and months ago for Bitcoin to hit $5 million, and now we see the first point, spot ETF approval. We saw that exactly 1 year ago. It happened. The second point, fair value accounting rules, which also happened. And now the third point on his list got also a green check mark. Banks are now allowed to hold Bitcoin and crypto. SAB 121 has been re-signed, allowing banks to custody Bitcoin, which is now an amazing setup for us to be trading, to be invested in the market, and to make potentially the biggest gains so far in the bull run in a short period of time. We have to be cautious right now. We also got an update from the Bank of Japan. The interest rate came out, and it also removes a big black swan event, which did not occur even though the numbers were not too good, and it's already a good sign that we did not get a black swan event. And now we go step by step to the next actions that the US is taking right now, that the Trump portfolios are doing right now, where they're gonna invest and where I think will be the best opportunities, risk reward chances for a good upside in this moment. Also, I think to celebrate, Senator Cynthia Lummis got elected as the chair of the Senate Banking Subcommittee on Digital Assets, which is like completely bullish. She was the woman standing there presenting the bill for a Bitcoin reserve strategy for the USA after Donald Trump was speaking in the Bitcoin conference 2024 in Nashville, and now actions are taken. And now with Donald Trump signing this first executive order, is like the first domino piece falling down and causing a huge chain reactions, which could like make everything in the market completely on another level. For me, now is important. What is Bitcoin doing here in this all-time high consolidation? As you know, I'm still in my long position at the moment, over 50,000 euros in a profit just on this single account. We also have our trading bots working completely crazy, making us also very smooth and reliable performances. And also on my second trading account, we're hitting almost 30,000 euros in a profit, which is approximately over $30,000. So I'm pretty confident that we're gonna hit six figures with this two trading positions, just like six figures in profits, two trades done for this bull run. And now for me is important what happens in the short term of the Bitcoin price actions, because we cannot only be bullish. It's like the biggest mistake that every retail investor and newcomer investor makes and like loses all of his money. Here we look at the chart and we look at the potential price targets, because when it goes up, I'm already here taking profits at 118,000 US dollars. Why exactly at these price levels? For this, it always pays out to follow me on X, to follow me on YouTube, to get the updates, to get like the price areas always updated in every video and every update call in every live stream. And here you see on the bigger time frame, we have huge liquidations amounts. Not only short positions above us, they are building up strong long positions in the market. And I would never make the mistake again to ignore these signs and say, yeah, it's going up only because we are super bullish, everything is in best case scenario, we are only going up. I would not do this mistake. So I'm also careful and waiting for 95,000 US dollars. I'm not selling now and hoping to buy back later. I am just waiting and hoping for a $96,000 price level, a 91,000, a 85,000, down to the $75,000 levels, because if it crashes, I want to make sure that I buy exactly these prices. And if we go up, the six figures will come anyways, and we are perfectly positioned for both scenarios. We took profits even at the $109,000. We're gonna take more profits to the upside, and we are gonna be ready when it crashes, when we see a dump in the market. So far, it does not really look like it will dump. So far, it looks like it will pump like crazy. Donald Trump signs an executive order to help make America the world capital on crypto. And even like what Michael Saylor posted here, now banks are also allowed to custody crypto, to buy, hold, custody crypto and Bitcoin, which is super interesting. And about the coins, about the investments that the Trumps are also doing, they are buying Ethereum like crazy. And even in the charts, we see now first time since a long period of time that Ethereum could potentially make a breakout of this consolidation. This is so interesting. I really have to make it on the 4-hourly time frame, put a screenshot and post it now, because this could potentially be the next perfect entry for our a long position on Ethereum. Ethereum breakout. So like this, I have my Telegroup. It's only in German, but yeah, this one is in English. And of course, I'm also gonna put a copy on it. Copy, if it works, it should copy. And now I want to post exactly this one on Twitter also, because on X also, because this is probably a very good opportunity to jump into a trade. And if you don't have a trading account so far, just open up an account on WEEX, on Levex, wherever you want to do it, because here I also have like an Ethereum long trade open already. It's just a rather small one with $700 in profit. I also have a Solana position open, but compared to my Bitcoin positions, it's peanuts. It's not really worth mentioning, but this could be like the first hint, because Ethereum is bought by the Trumps. The Trumps are like the decision takers now in the crypto space. They know exactly before it even happens which cryptos will be implemented in the US, which cryptos will be in the strategic reserve for the US, and we can almost watch their insider trading, their market timing here on chain, what coins they are going to buy. And here in an interview with crypto czar David Sachs explains the purpose of executive order signed by Trump yesterday and the path forward for Bitcoin and crypto. He says that stable coins is also a very, very interesting point for the crypto global adoption, because they can make like a US stable coin used worldwide on blockchain. And it's a pretty matching coincidence that they also bought Tron. Maybe they got like paid from Justin Sun, I don't even know. But on the Tron blockchain, there is almost the highest stablecoin volume with Ethereum. They are the two leading blockchains with stablecoin volume. And maybe this is a hint that in the future, the Tron network will have huge benefits, huge usage and huge volumes. So also the prices could go up. And I'm really sure now to be confident in the positions that the Trumps are taking. Ethereum, Bitcoin, maybe some Chainlink, even Aave, Tron, and yeah, you can also take ENA, you can also take what they freshly buy. This could potentially be a very good risk-reward ratio for my investments, and for this, I'm just waiting. I'm just invested in Ethereum, I'm invested in Bitcoin, and I think we are gonna be in the prestigious position to be just taking profits all the way up. We've been building our positions since like the bear market bottom. We were online, we were there, and this is almost easy to navigate through the market now. If you are not positioned so far, I would stick to Bitcoin. I would go with the number one cryptocurrency. Why should you take a cryptocurrency ranked worse than Bitcoin? I would take the number one coin. It's not financial advice, but it's really like what I would do if I have to start again with crypto, especially in this very high and developed state of the market. I would stick to Bitcoin. It reduces the downside in the bear market and it still has good growth potential. Probably a 10x maybe in the next 2 to 5 years could be a really realistic price target for Bitcoin. And these are the first steps being made towards these prices. So all combined together, I'm completely bullish in this market situation. I'm prepared to buy the dip and I'm prepared to take the profits. Whenever volatility happens, we are going to profit and benefit from that. So I wish you all together the best profits with your investments. We are going to see each other very soon in the next video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up, to subscribe to the channel, and don't miss any video in the future. I wish you the best. We see each other. Ciao, ciao.